Hey, welcome to our video demo of our fully rebuilt Bridgeport milling machine. It's had a full stripped down service, rebuilt with reground bedways, brand new lead screws throughout, all new bearings, all new belts, loads of new parts in the head, brand new spindle, brand new bearings of course in the quill, and then we finished off with a 3-axis DRO system with our latest console, which has got the graphical PCD system. So during the regrind, we've also done the top of the table and the two sides as well to make sure it's absolutely beautiful for you. This one's got the upgrade of not just the X-axis power feed, which comes as standard, it's got the Y and the Z-axis power feeds as well, and it's got the Techno QE guarding system, which is fully interlocked, and the air draw bar to make it really fast and easy for the tool changes. Okay, so let's see the machine now, and then please, by all means, come down and see it for yourself, or you can also spec them online. If you go to GT Machine Parts, you can spec a machine to your specification online. If you just want to order a digital readout system, it's gtprecision.co.uk. There are links below as well. Okay, so as I say, we've completely reground the whole system, the whole X, Y, and Z axes, the knee, and so on. And there's brand new lead screws, brand new nuts in there. Absolutely beautiful, smooth all the way across. All the gears have been scraped back in. Same with the Y. Lovely and smooth all the way across. You should be able to see it moving on the DRO system there. Absolutely spot on. And they've all got safety handles on, and these are the original Bridgeport style safety handles that have been refurbished. The knee the same, all running beautifully. So there's brand new bearings in there, there's brand new gears, everything's been done. We've also replaced up the whole lube system, so all the pipe, there's a brand new lube pump down there, and all the distributor valves have all been replaced as well. So that just needs pumping twice in 8 hours of operation, and you'll be absolutely fine. Okay, so we've tested all the bottom end now, so now I'm just going to put all the power feeds on together, just to save a bit of time on the video to show you it will power all three, has got enough gumph to do it. So all of these are, you can set the feed rate, variable speed at the bottom, and you press the rapid button and it just rapids as well. There's the X, there's the Y, there's the knee, or the Z axis. All running as they should. There we go. So they've got stops on them, so you can move these stops to wherever you need to be. When you hit the limit switch in the middle, it'll shut down automatically for you. Okay, so moving on, that's the bottom end done. So moving up, we've got the variable speed head and the quill to test. There's also got a light here, and it's LED IP65 sealed. It's a really nice system. Okay, so it's under power now. We've got the guard closed so we can fire up the head. So it's running at the moment at around 600 RPM, here or quite low. We've spent a lot of time, a lot of money at the heads. So there's loads of new parts, belts, pulleys, bearings, you name it, is in there. So it's currently in high range. That's 1,000 RPM. 1,600. All the way up to 2.2. All the way back down again. I won't go above that because I've got the quill engaged, so you shouldn't go to, well, it says 3,000, you wouldn't want to go anywhere near that with the quill engaged. That warning is on this plate here. Okay, that's reversed now, and the same again, lovely and smooth. 1,000. 1,600, up to 2.3. Okay, turn it off. I'll just hit the brake just to show you it does work. The only time you'd hit the brake is when you're taking the tool out, but obviously this has got the air drawbar, so you don't even need to touch the brake. The drawbar does it all for you. Okay, so we're now going to swap into low range. We're currently in high, so I always move this handle out the way so it's not in the way of the handle. So you push the handle in, turn it round, and make sure it's locked in before you fire up. Make sure you've actually got it locked in properly there. Okay, so we're all right to fire up again now. So we're now in low range. It's just as quiet in low. All the way down to 500. Sorry, all the way down to 60 RPM now. Up to 110. 190. And up to 260. 260 RPM. Right, reverse now. Quiet reverse. So that's 110 again. Back down to 60. So you listen to that for a second. It's all bob on. There we go. So we're going to go back to high range now, but we're just going to go to neutral first. There's a little indentation there to signify neutral, and it's all fine in neutral as well. Okay. Right, locking into high. Make sure you're locked in properly. Okay, we're back into high range. Excuse me. Right, 1100 RPM. I'm taking the lock off and I'm going to test the quill for you now. It's a quick release handle, so you can put it wherever you like, but that's the moving quill. Really nice system. So before you engage the quill, you need to just come off one of the extremities. It doesn't want to be on the top or the very bottom. There we go, just come off the top. And it's this handle here, you just pull it out like that. And we're feeding down now. You see the handle coming down, feeding down. So that's the highest feed rate. I'll move it to the slowest, which is when it's horizontal, and the medium when it's facing down. Okay, I'll go back up to the fastest one, just because you're going to wait forever on the video. Okay, I'll reverse it now. Turn it off, reverse, feeds up spot on as well. This keyless drill chuck's all included. There we go, it's all working great. So turn the spindle off, I'll put the quill all the way up to the top, put the lock on, and it does lock it as it should. But if you move the handle to the right, you can move it to whatever position you like. Okay, so I'll just demonstrate that the guarding is interlocked as well. So I'll put the spindle back on, I'll put the power feed on, and now when I open the guard, it'll shut the whole thing down. There we go, keeps it nice and safe for you, but does of course leave the DRO on and the light on. Obviously you don't want to lose your data positions, you want to be able to see what you're doing. Okay, so it's all absolutely spot on, it's ready to be shipped. So if you want a machine like this, please come down and have a look, and thanks for watching.